Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your CQ University. Let's get it started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in CQU, log in, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as my.cqu.edu.au. In my case, it's the first one. To log in, tap on continue to sign in. And here you need to provide your email address or username and your password to log into your account. So go ahead and type your username in the text field given for username. Then type your password in the text field given for password. You can check this box that says keep me sign in so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can reset it by tapping on the text forgot your username or forgot your password. Now to log in, all you gotta do is tap on the sign in button and you'll be successfully logged in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you.